What's up, everybody? Today we are changing the air filter on this 2018 Jeep Renegade. It is the 2.4 liter. Here's the number for the air filter. This is the CarQuest air filter. The tools we're gonna need: I'm gonna use a ratchet with an extension and a 5/16 socket, which will fit right on these screws here. We have 3 of these screws, one there, here, and here. Take those out, lift this up, pull the old filter out, slap the new one in. One. Two. Loosen this one up a little more. All right. This box should lift right up. Just be careful of this right here. And just hold this in the air. Get your old filter out of there. Oh yeah, so you can see that baby's dirty. Definitely time for a new one. So we'll open our new one up. See the difference here. Oh yeah, look at that. It's definitely time to do that. And yeah, don't matter which way these go. Just put it in. Make sure it's going in right. Push it down. It should seat itself right around that plastic, this orange rubber piece. That looks good. Take the box. Make sure it's in place. Yep. All right. I'm gonna leave that one a little loose. Let's get all these pretty close to snug. Just like to make sure this thing's right where it needs to be before I tighten any down. Alright. Yeah, you could try using one of the screwdrivers with the 5/16 end on it, but these screws come out hard, so I definitely recommend using the ratchet or an impact if you have one of them. Alright, snug this one down. You don't need to go too tight. to get it tight and go quarter turn. Alright, just take a look at it, make sure it's sealed. Yep, everything looks good. So there's a quick video on how to do that. Hopefully it helps some of you guys out. If you can, hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.